I received a lot of complaints about AdSense rejection. Even some of my sites keep getting rejected more than 10 times after waiting 5 months for approval. It's annoying. You can watch countless videos on YouTube on how to get approval. Even did more than what was said in the video and still get rejected. Yes, I feel you. And I know it's damn hard to get approved by Google AdSense these days, which is why I made this video for those who want the quick solution. So the idea was, why should people wait all this time to start earning money? While there's an easy way for them to start making money immediately. In this video, I will be showing you not only how you can get Google AdSense approved website, you can also get approved Ezoic websites and monetized niche blogs at a very low price. So let me present you the quick solution from the professional here, Net6x.pro. Net6.pro is one of the best web panel on the internet. They provide lots of services that can help you grow your websites, businesses, and online presence. Now let me log into my account. Here is what the dashboard looks like. Now let's take a look at the approved AdSense website and Ezoic approved website service. Let's read the description. Here it says, approved Google AdSense website and account price start from $250. And also here is what comes with the website. Fresh AdSense account, approved with original email, multi-countries. But you need to ask the support team first. And they also offer free arbitrage method to start earning immediately. And what you need to have is a domain name register account on Namecheap and GoDaddy. The delivery time is after successful payment. It takes 1 to 3 business days to transfer the domain to you. And there's also a refund policy if failed to deliver in 3 business days. Let's take a look at Ezoic description and what comes with the website are. Google Ad Manager, premium age domain name, unique design and content, fresh Ezoic account, approved with original email professional website, free arbitrage method to start earning immediately. Now that I've shown you how you can get AdSense and Ezoic approved blogs, why keep wasting time instead of getting one and start earning immediately?